Hi there, this is Kiki and welcome to our channel. In today's video, we are going to show you how to turn raw notes into polished reports step by step using Copilot in Word. If you ever stared at a blank page wondering where to start, this is going to change everything. Let's dive right in. Open the blank document. You should see the Draft with Copilot icon. Click on it and the Copilot draft mode comes to life. Just give it a prompt and watch it transforms your idea into a full draft. It's like having a personal writing assistant inside Word. Here we have a page of messy notes from my internal marketing strategy meeting, with bullet points, random ideas, and half sentences. Normally, turning this into a well-structured report may take anywhere from a few hours to several days. With Copilot, simply type "Draft a professional report based on these notes" and click Generate. In seconds, it creates a clean, structured draft with headings and paragraphs. No more staring at a blank page. Now we have a solid starting point. Say, competitor activity section feels too short. Highlight it and ask Copilot. Expand this section with more details, statistics, and examples. You can see here it pulls in real figures instead of vague statements. You can also attach files for more context. By leveraging ChatGPT along with organization's internal knowledge, Copilot adds depth while keeping the tone consistent. Perfect for reports that need extra context or supporting data. Once we are happy, we can replace the original section. Next, to make the report more digestible, let's bring in a visual. Go to Copilot's Set panel and ask which part of the report would benefit from a visual. It suggests multiple sections with potential visual representations. Let's use consumer insights as an example. Highlight one paragraph and ask Copilot to visualize as a table. In seconds, Copilot lays everything out neatly in rows and columns. It's a clean, easy-to-read table we can drop straight into the document. Now let's say we are good with the report and would like a concise conclusion. Type "Draft a short conclusion that summarizes the main points and provides next step." Just like that, an instantly readable conclusion. Perfect for anyone who just wants the highlights without reading through the full report. The conclusion is formal and polished, perfect to send to executives. But what if I also need a casual version for cross-function colleagues? Let's ask Copilot. Rewrite this in a casual tone. The text instantly adjusts to the audience. Same message, different style, no extra effort. The conclusion can easily be copied into Outlook as your email body. If you want more Copilot hacks for Outlook or managing emails, check out this video. So today we use Copilot in Word to draft a report, expand content, add visuals, generate conclusions, and rewrite for any audience, all in just minutes. If this saved your time, hit subscribe. We post new hacks every week to help you work smarter, not harder.